Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Academy tab in Perplexity AI. So let's start. Open your Perplexity AI. Here you can see I already log in Google Chrome. You can see the left hand side have a second tab is Academy tab. Just click on it and here you see your Academy tab is open. So the Academy tab is where you can learn new skills step by step. Instead of just answer, you will find a structured lesson, guides, and example. Okay. So pick up the topic and start the learning at your own pace. It's perfect for student or anyone who want to grow their knowledge. Okay. You can see here this different tab also showing health, law, technology, science, and humanities. Okay, trending topics also you're showing. Just click on this arrow and you can check other trending topics also. Click on it and you can get the all details related to topics. Here's also showing the different tab showing research for deep research or labs. Okay, you can select and you can then enter the prompt and search here. You can select here the set sources for search. Okay, you can add attach the file also. So here I just enter one prompt. Okay, impact of the social media on mental health. Okay, I just click on this generate option and here you see your Perplexity AI generate the answer with a different tab, answer, images, sources, and steps. Okay, you just drag, you can see all details here showing related to impact of the social media on mental health. If you want to read in reading mode, you can it simply right click on here and click on the open in reading and that's it, your reading mode is open. You can just drag and adjust the size of reading mode also. You can use this other formatting option. If you want to change the font style, just click on this arrow and select the font style. You can decrease the font size and you can increase the size of font also. And you can change the theme also. So I select here the blue one and here you see. So here you can easily use reading mode also to improve your skill in the comfort way. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.